Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this Ring Chime Pro Wi-Fi extender and chime for Ring devices. We wanted to get this to be able to use with all our Ring devices as we needed an extender to help keep all ours connected and from our cameras to everything else. So we'll go ahead and take this out of the box and show it to you. All right, we got this out of the box here. So a couple features of this. It is a dual band Wi-Fi and then gives you in-home alerts, and then it does have a built-in nightlight, which is kind of cool. So we'll go ahead and take this out. As you can see, here's the plug-in on the back side right there. And then on this side, here's the front side right here. So we'll go ahead and plug it in the outlet and show it to you. All right, we got it plugged in the outlet here. You can see it lights up right there for you, so you can see it in the dark. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you to show you this Wi-Fi extender plugged in.